How to convert video to audio on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Shortcuts app. This is the default app in your device. If you cannot find this app in your device, you can head towards your app store, install this app and launch it. Now at the top right corner, you will find this plus icon. Click on it. Now at the top, you will find this option of new shortcut. Click on it. Now click on this option of rename and give a name to your shortcut. I'm gonna give it as audio. After you give a name, click on done. Now at the bottom middle, you will find this eye icon. Click on it. Now toggle on for this option of show in sheet and then click on done. Now click on this option images and more. Now at the top left, you will find the option of clear. Click on it. Toggle on for the option of media. Click on done. Now click on the option add action. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in encode and search for it. Now click on this option encode media. Now click on this option of shortcut input. Toggle on for the option of audio only. Likewise, click on this option of format and set it to AIFF. Now at the bottom, you will see the search box. Over there, type in save file. Now click on this option of save file. With that, your shortcut is ready. Now click on this option of done. Now you can close your Shortcuts app and open your Photos app. Now open the video that you want to convert to audio. After you open the video, click on the share icon given at the bottom left corner. Now scroll down. You will be able to find the shortcut that you have created. Now you have to click on it. It's in the process. Now you will be able to find this audio in the Files application. So you can close this and open your Files application and check. So this is how you can convert video to audio on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.